Hello, traders. Today is Tuesday, July 15th, and this is my analysis for the Kiwi US dollar, and we're on the 4-hour time frame. So the Kiwi dollar for several weeks now has been going down, but there still is a very good likelihood that move down is just a pullback to this wave up on like the weekly, daily time frame. If that's true, then I would expect to see three waves down, like a wave A, like a wave B, and then a third wave down for a wave C, then a Fibonacci bounce with a nice engulfing move to the upside. It really looks like we potentially have the end of an ABC, and if we really do have the end of an ABC, this very likely could end up going all the way back up to these highs and maybe much, much higher. Now, today is CPI inflation data, definitely a really big news event, and anything can happen at these news events, so definitely be aware of that. But as of right now, the market flow, at least on the 1 hour time frame, has turned up. We definitely do have the end of this trend right here. And if this is the end of a wave C and we have the end of that trend, then more than likely it is going to now continue to make higher highs, higher lows on these sort of time frames. So I would be recommending looking for longs on pullbacks. Definitely wouldn't be trying to go long right now, right at the top of a move. But if you get a nice pullback entry, and that definitely would be a nice opportunity for potentially the continuation of the uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.